Hey there, Hunt Profit here. Now I am speaking about flash publishing profits. How I wrote a 5-page book that sold without promotion. This is by far the easiest way to earn actual royalties writing fiction. And you can publish a new one every single day. Hi, one thing more than anything else make people give up their publishing business. Do you know what it's like pouring months of your life into a book only to have it poured down the drain? Failure had become a constant in my life and I was sick of it. Look, failure sucks. I know because I've done it a lot. Still, today I won't be without those failures. But was there really any other option? I didn't think so. I accepted the occasional failures as the cost of doing business and worked on my craft. I came across one particular type of was excellent for practicing my craft. You can get results with books as short as 6, 5 or even 4 pages. Find out if your story sucks before it's too late. Dinner and a movie, or simply the freedom you want. You could also just continue tossing your best years out the window. Doing something new is not always harder. Guarantee. Flash publishing profits comes with a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. As long as you make your inquiry through the email address provided below. Any PayPal disputes will render the refund policy null and void.